Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making handprint flower bookmarks. The supplies we need for this craft are a green crayon, a popsicle stick, I picked a bigger one, and you can use construction paper or foam sheets, and I picked green and pink. And first we're going to take the popsicle stick and we're going to color it green. This is mine. And then we're going to take our pink sheet, or whichever sheet you choose for the flower, and we're going to trace our hand just like this. And then we will cut that out. I have my hand right here. And I'm going to glue it to the top. But first I'm going to take the green foam and I'm going to cut some leaves. I'm going to make 2 leaves, so I'm going to make them a little smaller. And then here are my leaves. And then I'm going to glue one on each side. So, just put a little on the end. Just leave it to dry. And then I'm going to put one a little higher up. And then I'm going to take the hand, put some glue on it. And this is my flower bookmark. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.